Hello everyone, today we are in Guilmi, a small village of Abruzzo region situated in Chieti province at just 35 minutes from the Adriatic coast and 1 hour and a half drive from the Maiella mountain. And today I'm showing you a townhouse situated in the historic center. This is the view from the village. Usually today is a cloudy day, but usually you have the Maiella mountain right there and a sea view there when it's clear. And the property is reachable by a car. This is one of the main roads of the village. You can come up here. And the house is this way. Okay, the house is situated in this lovely square, and it is this one here, and also this building belongs to the property, but I'm going to show you the main house first. So this is the main entrance, and also this part of the property belongs, it is for sale, belongs to this property, but that one needs renovation. And as we enter, we find a corridor with a lovely wooden window, and here on the right we found the kitchen. It's a traditional kitchen with gas stove, we have a ceramic sink under the window. This is the electric heater for the hot water, so the house is not connected to main gas at the moment, so there is no central heating system. And this here is a fireplace with a wood burning oven, perfect for cooking bread, pizza. It is quite a nice size. And here you also have some storage space underneath the staircase. And this right here is the part of the house that needs renovation. So you could have more habitable space, because here you have a small bathroom. But the roof needs to be replaced on this part of the house. The main house is in habitable conditions, and this is the other room. See, it has a wooden roof with wooden beams. Okay. Now we can go upstairs. First we have this bedroom here that now it is used as a bedroom, but originally was the living area. So it is a living room. And with a window here, the windows are wooden windows in good conditions, and then on the outside you have the metal window with double glazed glass. Okay. This is the staircase reaching the first floor. It's quite comfortable. And here on the left you have the master bedroom. As you can see, the roof, it is in good conditions. No leaking, no damp whatsoever. Here you have a closet space and a small balcony. Overlooking the historic center. On this side you have a full bathroom with bathtub, with a big electric water heater. So if you decide to restore the bathroom downstairs, you can have a bathroom downstairs and a bigger one here with a bathtub. And here we have the second bedroom, a big double bedroom. With a small balcony overlooking the little square in front of the main entrance. And now we will go back outside. Okay, we are back outside, and the property also avails of 2 cellars. This is the side of the property. This is the first one, a stone cellar with electricity and running water. And this is the second one that is now used as a woodshed. With star vaulted ceilings. And belonging to the property, there is also this building here with 2 floors that can be used also as a garage and a parking space. It avails also of a fireplace. And these are the staircase to reach the first floor of this building. So the house has electricity and water connected. It is in habitable conditions. It avails of 2 cellars and a garage, so it can be reached by a car. And if you're interested, you can send an email to info@abruzzoruralproperty.com.